got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move, dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound, swinging to the left and swinging to the right. No room for worries, just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop.
So tuliamua let's continue tuende tukivuna mahindi zenye ziko huku, and I came across this maize that has different colors. So I was trying to ask mom and she was like, hey, it's a normal maize, yo. And I was like, yo, let's continue. So she was directing me on what kind of maize I should take, the ones that are not that dry, and what I should do after I take the maize. I should drop the whatever inaitwa toka mimi nitangwaje hiyo kitu ya juu. Well, busy bontao, but I'm trying, I'm trying, you see. So tukaendelea kuvuna, nimezivuna mingi, some ni za kupika githeri, zingine ni za kuboil, na zingine ni za kuchoma. I really enjoy this because maisha ya Nairobi sasa utapatana na maize wapi za kutoa, utapatana na green kama hii wapi? Shamba la mawe. Nairobi ni shamba la mawe. Ebu make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, nataka tufike 500 subscribers before tufike birthday yangu, before niwashutie birthday yangu April, tuko tumefika 500 subscribers.